a little bit about your story. It would be lovely to learn more.
I was 52, and the GP said, well, as you're concerned, we'll refer you, just in case, but it's unlikely to be anything serious.
Yes.
And that's the time I was diagnosed with Barrett's, as well as a tumour. I decided to go straight to surgery without chemo because it was at the size and it hadn't spread too much. They could get it out straight away, and surgery is the only cure of this cancer.
Of course, yes.
The research you're doing is fantastic. For me as a patient, it's so important because I know the treatment I had, although it was only surgery, but all the other patients with their chemo, immunotherapy, radiotherapy, all that is based on previous research. So it's so important that we're learning more about the new research coming along, new very early detection.
Yeah, I think it's very important to study esophageal cancer. It has been traditionally a cancer that has not been the focus of attention of the research community. The scientific community hasn't taken it as a cancer where you can detect different stages in the sampling process. However, there is a number of groups throughout the world that are pushing that, and we have been very motivated to be one of them and understand this disease much better from its origin. And in particular, a cancer like that it presents so late, we are focusing a lot of the effort on trying to understand the early stages to see whether we can identify markers to detect it earlier, which would be one of the main solutions to fight this devastating disease.
And it gives me hope for other patients in the future, including my family. You know, that research, I always think, because I had it, and I had a brother who had the same cancer, it could run in the family. So it's seeing this research so it can be detected at a very early stage, that's fantastic.
Yes, that's our dream.
Yeah,
that is definitely our dream.
Yeah, it's a fantastic dream, and thank you for doing the research.